Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you like DIY home projects, thrift makeovers, and easy to make home decor all on a budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. In today's video, I'm sharing my second Temu crafting haul and review, and I'm going to let you know right now I rate every item in this video a 5 out of 5 because I love everything that Temu sent me. So thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring today's video. For anyone who is not aware of Temu already, it's an online marketplace that is committed to offering the most affordable quality products to you. Temu has a large variety of items from clothing, crafting supplies, outdoor garden items, kitchen items. There is so much on their website, and they always have really great sales. Right now, they have up to 90% off for Mother's Day. And if you click on to my Temu link and use my promo code SALE5752, you will receive an extra 30% off your first order if you are new to Temu. They offer free shipping on all orders, even in Canada, plus free returns within 90 days. And you can download their app for even more perks. So check out the links in my description box and enjoy the shopping experience. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. I got a metal tin sign that says, "Welcome, please remove your shoes." It's 4x16 and it's waterproof, so you can place it outdoors. It's a cute little sign and I will be placing that on my door. I got a sunflower and bee metal tin sign as well. It's 12x8. It has a beautiful rusty edge and it looks very rustic and old. It's a perfect farmhouse decor piece for a kitchen or even a garden. Next, I received a 12-piece eucalyptus leaves stem. The 12 pieces are on one stem. They're a gray-green color, and they're going to make a beautiful bouquet arrangement for a wedding or for your home. Next, I have 2 packages of 5 pieces of eucalyptus in each package. They are separate stems, so they can be put in a flower arrangement in different places, and the quality is really good. I love my flowers, especially these ones. They don't look cheap, but they do have a cheap price on them. These Peony Bouquets silk flowers are a definite win. They come in different colors, and I picked the white with just a little touch of pink. I'm going to place these in my she shed on the top shelf that really needs something pretty, and I think these are going to be perfect for that little space. And I got another beautiful bouquet of flowers, and this one is the Pearl Rose Flower Bouquet, and wow! What can I say about these? These are absolutely beautiful. They come in different colors, and these ones are a white cream, and I got 2 packages. I am so impressed with Temu, and I'm very picky with my flowers. So definitely, if you're looking for some pretty flowers, check them out. I really love wall decals, and this one is adorable. The colors are beautiful and vibrant, and the sticker itself is really good quality. Now, I'm not sure where or what I will be doing with this one yet, but it will look pretty on any DIY that I make. I got an 8-sheet country farm themed template, perfect for any projects. These stencils are so cute. I love the cow and the little piggy, and I can't wait to try them out. The other thing I like about these is that you get a ring. You can attach every stencil to the ring, and that's great for organizing them, to hang them up in the craft room so they don't get mixed up in other stuff. So these I can hang up on the wall. I got a 7-piece silicone mold set. They're all different sizes, and I love the style and the details on them. These are really cute, and for the price, you can't go wrong. So Temu, again, has made me happy with another beautiful ribbon. It's a very soft burlap that can be frayed on the edges, which I prefer more than just a straight edge. I love the rose flower print, and you really can't go wrong with this ribbon to make bows for your flower arrangements or put it on a wreath. It's definitely a win. I always like to put a sticker on something when I sell an item. When I go to craft sales, I always like to put a thank you or handmade sticker on the bag. It's very personable and it leaves a really nice impression on your buyers to come back. I will make good use of these 500-piece flower thank you stickers. They are small, but the detailing on them is really cute. The next item I got is a 6-sheet washi stickers. They're going to be great for the smaller projects. These are really nice. I'm definitely happy with these. The quality looks really good, and I really like the detail and the softness of the paper. Very pretty. And they come in different themes, so definitely I will get these again. So Temu came through again with their stamps. So the next 3 background stamps are really nice. The quality, again, is good. And of course, I can't wait to use them, as I've said for pretty much everything I've got. My house, I think, is going to have a lot of stamps in it coming soon. So definitely try their stamps. They have some really cute ones, and they're really inexpensive. If you're on a tight budget and you can't afford the most expensive ones that are out in the market, these will be a great addition to your crafting stash. I have 2 packages of white cream Pampas grass. These are very soft, fluffy. They would look really sweet as a vase filler for a boho farmhouse look by themselves or mixed in with other flowers. I really love the white cream color. It's one of my favorites. Now, this is one of my favorite items that I did get, and I'm definitely going to be ordering some more stainless steel scissors. OMG. That's all I gotta say. OMG. They cut smoothly. They have a beautiful antique look to them. And they do come in other colors. Oh, I've been cutting a lot of stuff with these. I love them, love them, love them. These are worth buying. Definitely get them. They're a must-have for crafting. I swear by them. You'll love them. I have another Pampas grass. This one is an 8-piece, and this one comes in just one color. It's a natural color. This would look perfect as well in a flower arrangement or in a vintage basket. They're so soft and fluffy, and it's just absolutely stunning. Love this one as well. I like using crafting paper on my table when I'm crafting, especially when I'm painting. So this paper does come in 2 different sizes. I did get the smaller size, and the quality is excellent. Definitely was worth buying, and I wish I had bought the bigger one now, but that's okay. I would definitely use this paper to wrap and ship something. It's definitely worth the getting. So Temu didn't go wrong with another canvas print. This cute rabbit print is gorgeous. The colors are vibrant and it looks so real. The detailing on this is bang on. It really is. It's a 12 by 16 inch, and I'll be putting the print into a vintage frame that I found at a secondhand shop. And here we go again with another beautiful rabbit canvas print. This one is a 2-piece, so you see the front and the back of the bunny. It has a beautiful vintage style that will look great on any wall or shelf. Now, I haven't decided what I'm going to do with these yet, but I want to do something really special. Before I jump into just doing anything with them, I want to make sure that what I do create is exactly what I want. So Temu has hit it right on with their canvas prints. I got some really beautiful ones in my first Temu haul. So again, check that video out if you haven't seen it yet. I have this cute rabbit wall stickers. Okay, so I've seen these on Amazon. They're exact same, but they are cheaper through Temu. They're quite big, and the quality and detail on them is really nice. I'm thinking of putting these like on a big frame. I'm not sure yet. Let me know in the comments what you think. But these definitely are a win-win. And for my last ribbon that I got, this is a gold edge ribbon, and the color is purple, but it looks like a light gray, depending on the light. I did look at it and had it up against a few different things, and sometimes it looked purple and sometimes it looked gray. Either way, it's a really nice ribbon. It's very soft and it'll be perfect for gift wrapping or making bows. And for the last item that I got is a floral wall sticker. It did come in 4 pieces on one sheet. Now, I already used it before I filmed. As soon as I got it, I knew what I was going to do with it. And this is what I did with that. And I think it's stunning on this little fireplace in my she shed. The fireplace was missing something. It did take me a little while just to put it all together, but wow, does it ever look nice. It's not as big as I thought it would be, but it was the perfect size for the fireplace. I think it would look really pretty if the whole top of the fireplace had those flower stickers. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I order a couple more and add them on, or just leave it as it is? Definitely try Temu. I'm really happy with the items that I received. I really can't thank them enough for asking me to collaborate with them, and I'm really happy with them. So I just want to say thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you were inspired by some of these items. If you have any questions, leave me a comment or email me. I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.